Good morning, pirates. It's calendar week 13, and this is Kitchenalia and soft furnishings. There are 52 cards in a deck, 4 suits, and 13 cards in each suit. All human games are either ball games or pattern matching. We are 1/4 of the way through the year. My social feeds, which do have quite a lot of gardening people on them, from hobbyist tinkerers to full-time commercial professionals, is starting to fill up with people getting flustered about being late to the seed-sowing party. Well, be assured, you're not. It's way less important when you sow your seeds than the well-intentioned panic of early spring in your bones makes you think that it is. For the commercial growers, there's a lot of money to be made by being the first to market. For everyone else, don't be in too much of a rush. If your seed packets say March to May on them, then you're definitely good for a while. Slow and steady is good. Having a plan is good too, but plans have to change. My plan for this week just gone was to sow the summer wheat, but the weather decided otherwise. It rained quite a lot, and on Sunday morning, was that really only yesterday, we had a surprise sprinkling of snow to wake up to. It had all vanished by about midday, and our brief foray into the marginally sub-zero temperatures overnight is going to be replaced by at least 15 degrees by the end of this week, with some prognosticators claiming up to 20. I doubt that, but snow one end of the week and sunbathing at the other? Is this what they're calling the new normal? I did have a little fun in the wood shop this week, making a cover to close up the hole in the ground, which formed the business end of the recently moved composting toilet, and a platform for the freshly denominated new one. It makes falling in considerably less likely, and we're going to call that a step in the right direction for the barracks becoming a luxury estate. Imagine that, the best of both worlds. Wild crapping and not running the risk of an extra nasty laundry day. So what are we going to do this week? Mostly advertise the reading retreat, a little haven of calm surrounded by fellow book nerds, reading, being read to, fireside and bedtime stories, excellent food and even better company. I'm doing this for myself as much as for anyone else, but I'll enjoy it more if you come as well. It's going to be the 1 week of the year where the barracks is dedicated to relaxation with a good book, and nary a mention of any of that collapse stuff which occupies my thoughts for the other 51 weeks of the year. Come and share it with me, for me and the piggies. Come if you can. The dates are Friday to Sunday, but Monday is a bank holiday, and you can easily slide into Monday as well if you're feeling good about things. Oh, and I got in touch with both the forester and the man with the sawmill this week, and I am 100% certain that between now and the retreat, we will be filling the library with bookshelves. The reading retreat will therefore also be the consecration of the library, a monumentous achievement that I know you'll want to share with me. And with that, I shall bid you adieu for the week. Much love, your Pirate Ben. XO. XO.